Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox carrot pomegranate juice along with a tinge of amla for a tangy taste. For this, we take a cup of nicely washed and cut carrots. We preferably use Ooty carrots because they're more juicy. We then add a cup of fresh pomegranates. Ensure that there is no skin because they become bitter. Then we add some amla which are nicely cut. On top of this, we add some ginger which will actually help our digestion, and add some mint leaves for flavor. Then add enough water to submerge all these vegetables and fruits. While this is grinding, a quick recap of the ingredients that we used. Now we see we've grinded it and we will run it through a sieve to take out all the hard particles. We then add some lemon juice. We then top it up with some salt, then some pepper, and then add some honey. This is completely optional dependent on how sweet you want the juice to be. 100% detox drink is ready to be had.